Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing good. So highly volatile trading session, and in fact market has closed above 15,700, and that is one of the positive news. We have been telling that 15,700 is a good support, and this area was tested on last week of June also. I think around 20th of June. Nifty came to around 15,700, but price action rejected. There was a rejection, and immediately Nifty went back, and the same thing has happened today. And we have got the US jobs data which says that around 8.5 lakh jobs have been added, and US futures are in the green now. In fact, it was in the green since morning, but it was flat, but it has shooted up around 6 o'clock Indian time, and it is trading above 100 points in positive territory. So that's a good news for us, and markets are all US markets are in the green, European markets are in the green, so we will also follow the same. And whoever shorted the market yesterday would have lost very much, because nobody would have expected that the market will reverse. But markets are markets, we cannot do anything about that, and markets have rebound and recovered very strongly. That's a positive news. What is interesting is that even India VIX has dropped down by 5%, more than 5%. It is down to around 12.5% now. So that is really a good sign of bullishness. So yesterday we were telling markets could consolidate. Now what I can see is that there is lots of short covering happened in the market. Reliance, there is short covering. HDFC Bank, which is heavyweights in Nifty 50, both stocks are having good amount of short covering. So that itself tells us the market is going to go up, or market may be range bound with positive bias. So hopefully we should understand that now 15,700 is a super support. Market is rejecting 15,700 on the downside. And now since yesterday I told that around 15,900 there was 3 rejection. Now if we go and test 15,900, that's going to be the 4th time market is going to touch 15,900 in last 2 weeks alone. So let's see what happens. Like, we cannot predict anything. Markets are market. Whatever market does, we have to go along with that. That's what we are doing here as an option seller. That's what we can do, and I hope you should have made good money, since India VIX has dropped drastically, significantly. Whoever did a straddle, strangle, or any, even you would have sold a naked call in weekly options or monthly options, you would have made, I hope you would have made money. So it's a good time for option sellers, and let's see what the data tells us, and we'll find out what to do in coming weeks. So this is a Nifty chart. As you can see, there was one price action rejection here at around 24th or around 23rd, and we are seeing again a rejection here. So in fact, if you zoom this one, today afternoon, after the European markets have opened, market tried very violently, at least 4 or 5 attempts to close above 15,700, but at the end of the day it was able to close at around 15,729. So that's really a positive sign. And on the upside, as we can see, we told yesterday also, there is 15,900 is going to be a good resistance. Already there is 3 rejection in that area. So if market goes up, we might see some rejection at 15,900. So that's the market. That's a 5 minutes chart, and this is what the market says. So this area 15,700 is going to be a good support. We have been telling this, and let's see what happens on Monday. So Mondays are always very calm. This is what we observed, that there is good amount of short covering in Reliance, Divis Lab, ICICI Bank, SEBI, SBI, then HDFC, So all these sectors are having good amount of short covering. So Reliance alone, which is a heavyweight in Nifty 50, is having a good amount of short covering. So we can expect the market to go on the upside. And if you see the OI data, actually, in fact, yesterday I was showing the wrong OI data, and one of our subscriber told that you are showing the wrong OI data. So I put a pinned message that I was like, I am really sorry for that. And but still people are believing that 15,000, this area 15,000, yeah, 15,800 is a strong support, and there is good amount of call writing at 15,800, and people have increased put writing at 15,700 area. So market should be range bound. In case market goes up on Monday, Monday market, since we are closed, since most of the markets are closed on US markets are closed on Monday, we should be expecting a neutral market. So we shouldn't be expecting anything big movement on Monday. So let's see how things pan out. So this is for Nifty, and let's see Bank Nifty. Yeah, so Bank Nifty is not at all supporting the move, as always. There is good amount of call writing at yeah, sorry, at 35,000. There is good amount of call rating at 35,000, and 35,500, there's good amount of call rating. So there are good amount of call rating in the 36,000. So all the way people are writing calls in Bank Nifty, so upward move is very limited in Bank Nifty. That's what the chart says. So as we discussed, markets are like in consolidation mode. We told yesterday that markets are consolidating. So I stand by that, and with positive bias, market may consolidate, and we should be seeing around 15,800 or 15,900 levels. And remember, 15,900 is going to be a good resistance. And I told earlier also that support and resistance are respected 70% of the time, and that is what has happened today. Market has respected the support of 15,700. So we trade based on that, and let's see what happens. And that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Happy weekend. Take care. Bye.